Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace your recovery tank drain hose. Super simple. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver and undo this hose clamp. Okay, now we just pull it off like that, take it apart. Installing it, just reverse your steps, put it back on the machine, put it back in the holder, and tighten down the hose clamp. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.